If you're new here, my name is Jarissa, and today I am building my dream wardrobe, pretty much. Perfect timing because Friday was Black Friday, so I went shopping, did some damage, and tomorrow is Cyber Monday, so doing even more damage. Also, I have my mini mic and I'm using it as a lav, meaning like I'm recording on my phone and the camera's all the way across the room, so this is kind of weird for me. Oh my god, or actually be like professional. Put it here. This is an Oreo, but I'm gonna be honest, I've been procrastinating. I lost my mini microphone in here somewhere. I barely got anything done today. It's 3:30 and this is what my room still looks like. I think that the reason why this is so time consuming is because I'm literally putting on every piece of clothing I own to make sure that I'll wear it again. Like there are a lot of pieces that I know that I'll wear again. I'm like, okay, this one I'm definitely keeping, but there's a lot of them that like this sweater. I need to put it on to make sure I look good in it, and I'm making sure that I'll wear it again and trying to style it a little bit, see what I could wear it with. That's why this is taking forever. I literally started this process at like 12 and it's, oh my god, it's 4? It wasn't actually 4 hours. I did take an hour to eat my little salad, so it was only 3 hours if you really think about it. I'm getting through the pile, look, because it's going downwards. Can you see how cute my cat is? She's guarding the hangers. I'm gonna be quite honest, I don't think that sweater vests are like in style anymore. Like I have this one from H&M and like I hate it. Like I never wear this. Like I don't know why I think I can style it again. Should I try? And actually I have 2 sweater vests. I have this one and I have the cropped white one. Okay, let me try. Like, is this cute? Like, I can't tell. So I feel like this is not something I would normally wear. I mean, I think it is kind of cute, but I don't know if it looks good on me. That's the question. I feel like I'd wear this with like a really chunky boot with platforms for sure. Let's see. But I feel like my Oxford docs, they're too like school preppy, and I feel like I'd look like a little schoolboy, you know? I did some shopping on Black Friday, which was a lot of fun. I went with my mom. I'm gonna start with H&M. I've been looking for kind of like low-rise jeans because I have a lot of high-rise. I don't know, all of a sudden I've been hating high-rise jeans. So I've been searching for these specific low-rise jeans from H&M. For some reason they had them on Black Friday. These are this straight low waist. There's 2 different parts to this. There's the type of jean and the rise. But a lot of the times I would see H&M have the straight high-rise. I got 2 of them in a slightly different color. They're kind of honestly the same. But the thing is, the difference between these 2 are that they're different sizes and they kind of fit me a little bit differently. The size 6 is a little bit like baggier on me and like looser, and I feel like they have more of that like low-waisted feel, whereas the size 4 fits like pretty perfectly and it is low rise. I was just thinking about getting this in a different color, I don't know. And another pair of jeans, literally also in a light wash. I don't know why I keep doing this myself. Low rise flare jeans, and they have like a slight boot cut, but the thing is, it's not drastic, so I'm okay with this. I really like this. Okay, and then going to Old Navy, they actually like did really well with sweaters. So I have this sweater, and you've seen me wear it in the beginning of this video already. I really love this sweater. It's kind of like a kind of cool texture, so it's not like super hot and not super like irritating. Oh God, do you see my cat? Then from Old Navy I also got this sweater. More sweaters. Yes. Then from Victoria's Secret I got this bathing suit, which I'm really excited to wear. It was only $15. I was in shock. Usually one-piece bathing suits are like 30 and above. And it has like these shaped cups. It's like open back kind of. My biggest purchase of the day was from Steve Madden. I ended up getting these are platform heels. I've been contemplating whether or not I should return them or not because I don't know, it like kind of seems a little big, right? I don't know. I needed like heeled boots. For those of you who don't know, I'm a model in New York and I just want to have boots that I could wear to castings. I want to thank my mom for sponsoring my shopping addiction. So Bye.